Yeah, I'm gonna just.
If you haven't gone by the table to see Kayla and Eve, make sure y'all go by there and get you vanilla envelopes signed with your name that you want on your diploma. Also, there are seasonings at the table now with Matakasa. You can grab your seasonings for your chicken wings. The address you put on your envelopes will be the address we send all of your stuff to. Yes, ma'am. Diplomas, DVDs, spices, grills you've ordered, t-shirts, anything that we need to send to you, that's the address that is going to go to. So make sure you spell that properly and legible.
What's going on, everybody? It's REC TEC Cowboy here. We are at REC TEC Academy, day 4, and it's been great. It's been wonderful. We got some amazing people here, meeting a lot of cool, like just outstanding individuals on this beautiful planet we call Earth. I love it. This is why I love Earth, because we got people like this here, and also because we got these amazing grills, which we call REC TEC grills. Look at these beautiful things. Absolutely gorgeous.
I know that man loves to give stuff away to you guys.
Amazing.
His favorite people.
So we're gonna go around.
So
and we're gonna talk to some people because talking to people is fun, and you know, making friends is it's cool. I like making friends. So let's go. You see somebody. So there's Ray. And then let's go to these fine young people. No, I'm just gonna say that's about all. How's it going, everybody? Good. I'm REC TEC Cowboy. Perfect. How is your experience here?
It is going, it's been great.
It's been great?
Yep.
What has been your most favorite part?
You know, I guess the, yesterday was a great day with the, you know, for me it's ribs, brisket, and, you know, the stuff that we do day in and day out, and learning the different techniques. And hopefully I can learn or bring what I've learned here and bring it home and hopefully be close to what I've tasted. You know, we'll find out.
I definitely understand you there.
The proof's in the taste. So
absolutely.
But it's been great. The instructions, it's been
great weather. Great weather, right?
Yeah. So
I love it. So awesome.
Yeah, I'm excited.
So we got chicken here, right?
Yep.
And then what are we going to be doing here?
As soon as we're going to get some rub on it.
Okay.
And I assume we're going to put it on the REC TEC and let it go.
Cool.
So
okay. Which rub are you going to use?
Some Bloody Mary rub. I can't remember the name of it. Sorry. And it's a mix.
Right now they're out. They're bringing more.
Okay.
I think we're going to go for the Asian persuasion.
Great time.
Asian persuasion.
All right, so we're going to give away Trailblazers.
Okay. So we're going to do like a mix.
Numbers. Not
all right.
everybody made it all the way till today. So pick just one digit. 8. One digit. 2. 82.
Ah, yes, thank you. Yes, thank you.
Oh, you. Trailblazer for Steve. Hey, if you won a cooler or anything, you're still involved in the grill contest, okay? So that just so you know. So we'll give a couple more. So congratulations. 82 won a Trailblazer. Steve, by the way. Where are you from, Steve? Where are you from again?
Greenville, South Carolina.
Greenville, South Carolina. Close down.
Yeah, it'll fit in the expedition going home.
Wow, another giveaway. Amazing, guys. Awesome. What's up, guys?
Hey, how's it going?
I'm REC TEC Cowboy.
Oh, Kevin.
Kevin, how are you guys doing?
Pretty good.
So,
waiting on some seasoning. We're going to get them seasoned up.
Okay, cool. So today is day 4, right?
Right.
Okay, so out of the 4 days, what is your best experience? What is the best thing that you can take home with you?
I like the chicken.
You like the chicken?
All right, looks like
I just
everybody's
think
pretty much
the whole
got
experience has been
their
great.
chicken.
Meeting the different people and meeting y'all, getting to talk to everybody, and
Okay.
more than any one thing we've cooked.
Right.
Just the experience.
Just experience. It's a pretty good experience, right? I mean,
Oh yeah.
I think it's really cool. Like you just said, we're here with
Chicken
people
separated.
with red shirts. You know,
Oh yeah.
One side.
that say REC TEC Cowboy on them.
Met people from all over the country. You know, see how they cook, we cook, and just
Yeah.
it's been really interesting.
That's cool, man. Well, I appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Thanks, Kevin. Appreciate it. You guys have fun, all right?
It's a wonderful time.
Yeah. All right.
Does anybody else need to
I'm gonna
go
take this
to
out
the
'cause it's
table,
bugging
get
me.
their vanilla envelopes with their address signed, names that they want on their diplomas.
Guys,
Hey, how
I'm
you
REC
doing?
TEC Cowboy.
Yes, sir.
So, I got a few questions for you
Now would
guys.
be the time to go see Kayla,
How's your experience been so far?
E.
What do you think of the REC TEC experience?
Well, I think we learned a lot of things.
Yeah?
And particularly that there's some scientific
Kristen.
points to the brisket cooking.
Yeah.
Not just all.
Not just slap it on there,
Right.
just push a button and then poof.
Right.
There's
right.
more. There's definitely a lot more science
Yeah.
and strategy to it, right?
There's some real
Kristen
temperatures
again.
there that
Yeah.
I didn't know about.
Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
So that's great.
What was your favorite part? What's the best thing that you got out of this?
I think meeting a lot of different people, knowing that there are
Meeting a lot
people
of
out
different
there, you know, they're out there all across the country.
Yeah.
We've been sitting with two guys from Alaska. Just hard
Alaska?
to believe. Hard to believe that
That's
they
like
come
20
here.
miles that way.
That's exactly right.
Holy
That's right.
cow,
A whole nother
boy.
country. A whole nother country.
Oh my gosh.
But it's been a great experience.
So where are you guys from?
I'm actually from Georgia, right
You're
here in
from Georgia?
Augusta.
Right on, man. Me too.
Yeah,
Cool.
so that's great.
All right. Well, I appreciate you guys' time. I appreciate you guys coming out here and enjoying this beautiful Sunday with
Yeah,
us.
it couldn't have been a more perfect weekend. Thank y'all.
Yeah, definitely. All right, guys. So as you can see, the number one thing that that REC TEC Grills provides us is not only great food, but a great atmosphere, a great family reputation. And hey, if you guys want to join the family, come check us out, guys. I'll see you guys later.
Check out what flavoring and seasonings your neighbors have and ask them if you could use that as well.